Hi everyone. In that video, we are going to check how to upload video on YouTube using YouTube Video Studio. So let's start. First, you need to open studio.youtube.com, and in that your channel, you can see right corner, top right corner, create. Click it. It will show you option to upload video, go live, create post, new playlist, what you want to create. So first we will want to upload video. Just click upload videos. It will have two options. You can drag and drop video here, or you can select file from your location where you want to upload. So I just want to use the feature drag and drop, so I just drag
Today
sorry
we review the
I think there is a problem. Oh yes, so it start uploading. Now it will ask you title, description. You can add your title, also you can add some description. I already have that, so copy and paste it here. Next, you can upload custom thumbnail. I am using my videos only, so you can also select your playlist in which you want to add. So I will add it to click optimization guide. So done. You can check more than one playlist, add it to more than one list. Advanced, show more. Here you can we can add keywords tag. So we already have some tags, just copy it and paste it here. Nicely done. Now we just click next. Video elements, you can add some subtitles, add end screen, add code. We can do it in next part. Just click next, copy. After completely upload the video, it is now 37%. After complete, it will check the copyright, and if there is no inflict, it will be uploaded. You can make it private, only person with URL can get it, unlisted, or you can make it public. So we want to make it public. Just click and publish. As it complete uploading, it will be published. Thanks for watching.